everyone, I'm Clayfect and nah, you can see it. You can't. It's not good. I'm Mr. Clayfect and I am at a bit of a problem because of my own joke. And Clayfect told me she's on a vacation, so I have to fix her videos. Really? So, without further ado, I resign my post as leader of this channel and give it back to my wife. Your channel again. I'm out.
What? Wait, what? Honey! I'm on vacation! My very short vacation! Well, hi guys! I guess I'm back. Back with another video for you. And this time it's a bit of an older video and... Come back here! I'm not doing this alone!
I don't want to!
You have to!
No!
Yes! We are going to make a silver video and I am going to need your help. If this is my channel, then I am the CEO, chief, what you want to call it. And you, my darling,
One condition.
is needed on set.
One condition.
Yeah?
This is the last one.
Well, no. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
He took 100 pounds of clay and then he said, hey listen, I'm gonna fix this world today because I know what's missing.
So as I was about to mention before, we are going to play around with some art silver clay. That is clay that when it's heated up, it actually turns into real silver. It's really cool. So of course I set my little heart on making a baby Oogie Boogie from The Nightmare Before Christmas.
And this is the best part of it all. We make hope. It reminds me of a Robert Williams sketch.
Oh, fuck, this is brilliant. Right near the end, I'll put a flat piece with a little flag to give you fucking hope.
Can we get back to my silver Oogie Boogie now?
Oh, you can't say that isn't funny.
Well, that is funny, but people have clicked on this video to watch me trying to make something with this clay.
Calm, honey.
That clay.
We make hope.
Oh god. Hope? There wasn't any hope with this clay. It was like playing around with very sticky gum. When you put a little water on it, it got a little bit better, but still it was so sticky and heavy. It was a very weird material, I have to say.
Like cosplay?
No, it was worth, honey, and you know that because you played around with it, but I wanted to make this guy. My very first sculpture I ever made, and I wanted him in silver. So, that was our mission.
And I must give you, honey, this clay was like... to work with, but about 5% worse than cosplay.
At least 90% worse, but look at me. I'm just playing around with it happily, thinking that I will get a handle on things.
Oh, you're making a little Oogie Boogie.
Spoiler alert, guys. I am not handling things.
Read the instructions. That's the cue here.
And to make matters more difficult, because silver clay is so expensive, I only had very little of it, so it was a very tiny figure I could make.
And it's impressive that they can make a clay that sticks to everything except for itself.
That is something. I have to give you, that is really something.
Don't know how they did that.
Me neither.
And I promise you guys, she wasn't happy about this clay.
No.
And she was less happy when I told her you have to put a ring on top of it so you can put it around your neck.
Yeah, that didn't happen, guys. I tried, but it was impossible. I got so frustrated. So after I had made the ring and ended up peeling it off anyway, I tried to make something else. Just something that could look sort of decent for ya.
And how did that went?
I don't want to talk about it.
But you started to make a little dog tag, honey.
Yeah.
It was so sweet.
I still had hope at that point.
You had hope.
I had hope.
We make hope. So she made a little Clayfect dog tag, while she got more and more frustrated.
Yeah. I have to admit, I really tried my best, but I had to call in help. So after a little fit,
It was my time to try.
and may I present Mr. Clayfect in kindergarten mood.
I made mud cakes. I don't know what I tried to do.
Silver mud cake.
I don't know what I tried to do. It's a very, very expensive mud cake.
Yeah.
And now I'm making a little thing, and then I make it into a poo.
Yeah, well, I still think it's better than what I was doing, so you
I
can.
don't know what I'm trying. But now I decided I want to make this. I don't know why I wanted to make a thing you already had, but I had to find out something.
Oh, I love it, honey. I love that it almost looked like a paw, and you made it for me.
It looked like something I brought my mother in 3rd grade.
Yeah, but now you gave me. Thank ya.
I should have made an ashtray. But you know what, honey?
What?
There's no sculpture in this world that doesn't get better with a little bit of fire. So then I torched it. And like you see here, and it's Clayfect holding a camera, so she's to blame for the bad quality. It's become Oogie Boogie. He blew up because we didn't read the instructions.
Yes, well, that's part of the process. But it was not the only thing blowing up, was it, honey?
No. I thought it was ceramic. It wasn't. So everything blew up around us.
And I just love you keep putting fire on it.
I had to make it work. And this is Oogie Blue.
Yeah, well, it didn't go as planned. But I think that is it for this sculpture and it for this.
No.
What?
That's not okay. You can't deliver that. It looked like I don't know what.
Well, then I need more clay.
Do it again.
Well, okay then. Then we are on yet again to the quest of making me a silver baby Oogie Boogie.
And this time we'll read the instructions and dehydrate it before we torch it.
But then again, then we torch it like no
And
tomorrow.
it went really much better.
Maybe also because you went berserk with the flames. There's actually fire in the sculpture at some point.
No.
See there, fire.
No fire. And a little fire. But I blew it out. And it became good. And it had to reach a certain degree. And I don't know what degree I was on. But it was enough. It worked. And here he is. And he is covered in this white stuff that have to be grinded off to become shiny.
And I have to say, honey, you do polish him very well. Almost as well as setting him on fire.
Should I get the torch? I can set you on fire. But I think after an eternity of grinding him down and polishing him, he turned out very, very nice.
I am very, very happy with him and very grateful for your help, my darling.
It was
I
no
have
problem.
to say he turned out pretty good. And so did the rest of our silver creations.
Nah, not that one.
It's pretty, I love
No,
it.
it's not. It's shiny.
But it's perfect to me. But with that being said, guys, I think that is it for these sculptures and it for this video. Willie?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, but please keep watching a little bit more because at the end we actually have something awesome to show ya. You see, one of our subscribers, Shanuni, I think it's called, I think I'm butchering the name, I'm sorry, but she made her very own weedling. And she didn't just make any weedling, no, she made Blossom.
And the most incredible about these figures is they are made out of trash as a medium, like cardboard and plastic.
I could never do that with that type of medium. She is really amazing.
Thank you so much for sending us these. They made our day.
So please guys, give her some love in the comments. She really is an amazing artist. But with that being said, it is unfortunately time for us to sign off.
And remember, if you want to watch more, then you can click on the square to the right.
But until then, bye!